So, which of these lucky plants are already in your home? And which one will you add next? These plants do more than just sit in a pot. They calm your space, refresh your mind, and attract better energy one leaf at a time. Want a happier, more balanced home? Start with your plants. Ever wonder why some homes just feel better the moment you walk in? It's not just the lighting or furniture, it could be the plants. But not just any plant. Some indoor plants are known to bring positive energy, boost your mood, and even attract luck, harmony, and balance into your home. In this video, we're revealing 9 indoor plants that are believed to bring good vibes into your space, the kind that can shift the whole atmosphere of your home. Stick around, because number 7 is often overlooked but might be the most powerful mood booster of them all. Let's dive in. Lucky bamboo is a plant that thrives in both water and soil, and it's incredibly easy to care for. Its upright green stalks bring a fresh, active energy to your space. If you want your home to feel vibrant and balanced, this plant is a strong choice. Place it near your work desk, entryway, or kitchen counter to instantly uplift the space. Indirect sunlight. Keep the roots submerged in clean water. Change the water every 7-10 days. Jade plant. This small, round-leaf succulent is popular not just for its appearance, but because it's believed to attract growth, focus, and stability. The thick, glossy leaves are said to hold on to energy, making them perfect for places where you need clarity, like your home office, entryway, or shelf above your workspace. Loves bright light. Water when the soil is dry. Avoid overwatering. Snake plant. This sharp-looking plant is not just trendy, it's a natural energy filter. Known for clearing the air and providing structure, it works like a shield for any space. Place it in corners, near electronics, or in your bedroom to absorb stale energy and create freshness. It also releases oxygen at night, making it great for your sleeping area. Tolerates low to bright light. Water only when soil is completely dry. Very low maintenance. Money tree. If you want a plant that makes a bold and calming statement, the money tree is it. Its unique braided trunk and wide green leaves are said to promote a feeling of calm, growth, and balance. It's the ideal plant to place in your living room, corner spaces, or home office to attract peaceful and focused energy. Bright, indirect light. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Mist the leaves occasionally. Peace lily. The peace lily does more than clean the air, it radiates a feeling of calm and order. Its dark green leaves and smooth white flowers make it perfect for areas where you want relaxation, such as your bedroom, reading nook, or meditation area. This plant brings a sense of stillness to your home, helping you feel less anxious and more grounded. Keep the soil slightly moist. Prefers low to medium light. Clean leaves gently with a damp cloth. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is best known for its healing gel, but did you know it also helps soothe the energy in your home? Its plump, spiky leaves absorb heavy or chaotic vibes, creating a cool, calming presence. Great for areas with a lot of activity, like your kitchen, windowsill, or hallway. Bonus: if the plant starts to look unhealthy, it's often a sign your space needs a refresh. It's like a natural energy sensor. Lots of bright light. Water sparingly. Use well-draining soil. Spider plant. Looking for a playful, energetic plant? The spider plant is for you. It's known to boost energy and reduce fatigue. Its long, arching leaves bring movement into the room, making it feel alive and full of life. Ideal for hanging baskets, plant shelves, or bathrooms. Prefers bright, indirect light. Water when soil feels dry. Trim dead leaves to keep it looking fresh. Pothos. Pothos is a powerful, fast-growing plant that spreads positivity wherever it goes. Its trailing vines are like natural energy channels, pulling the eye upward or across a room, encouraging movement and flow. It's perfect for shelves, kitchen tops, or even a hanging pot in your work area. Grows well in low light. Water when the soil is dry. Trim to control shape. Lavender. Lavender isn't just for gardens, it thrives indoors too, especially near sunny windows. Its natural aroma helps promote better sleep, lower stress, and mental clarity. It's ideal for your bedroom, bathroom, or reading corner. Even looking at this plant can lower your heart rate. Needs direct sunlight. Allow soil to dry between waterings. Trim blooms to keep plant fresh. So, which of these lucky plants are already in your home? And which one will you add next? These plants do more than just sit in a pot. They calm your space, refresh your mind, and attract better energy one leaf at a time. Want a happier, more balanced home? Start with your plants.